Welcome to the world of combined variation, where we explore how different quantities are related to each other. It's a mix of direct and inverse variation, all in one equation. Let's dive in and see how it works. Combined variation is expressed with a single equation. It states that one variable varies directly with some variables and inversely with others. The formula is y equals k times x times z, all divided by w. Let's say y varies directly with x and inversely with z. If y is 10 when x is 5 and z is 2, what is the value of y when x is 10 and z is 4? First, we find the constant k by setting up the equation 10 equals k times 5 divided by 2. This gives us a k value of 4. Then we use this to find the new y equals 4 times 10 divided by 4, which gives us 10. Let's try a harder one. A varies directly with the square of b and inversely with the cube of c. If it is 12 when b is 2 and c is 1, find a when b is 3 and c is 2. First, we find k. 12 equals k times 2 squared divided by 1 cubed. This simplifies to 12 equals 4k, so k is 3. Now, we find a equals 3 times 3 squared divided by 2 cubed. This is 27 divided by 8. The constant k is the key to solving combined variation problems. It's the fixed number that relates all the variables. To find k, you can rearrange the formula to k equals y times w divided by x times z. Let's see a real-world example. The simple interest on a loan varies jointly with the principal and the time. If a loan of $5,000 for 2 years has an interest of $400, what is the interest on a loan of $8,000 for 3 years? First, we find k, which is the interest rate. 400 equals k times 5,000 times 2. This gives us k equals 0.04. Now we calculate the new interest. Interest equals 0.04 times 8,000 times 3, which is $960. Here's another application. The resistance of a wire varies directly with its length and inversely with the square of its diameter. A wire 100 meters long with a 2 millimeter diameter has a resistance of 5 ohms. What is the resistance of a 150 meter wire with a 4 millimeter diameter? First, we find k. 5 equals k times 100 divided by 2 squared. This gives us k equals 0.2. Now we calculate the new resistance. R equals 0.2 times 150 divided by 4 squared, which is 1.875 ohms. To summarize, combined variation involves both direct and inverse relationships. The general formula is y equals kxz/w, but it can change based on the problem. Remember to always find the constant of variation, k, first. Then use k to solve for the unknown quantity. Look for keywords like directly, inversely, and jointly to set up your equation.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.